Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. I got three examples to work with you on, and the first one is 1 1/2 times 3 3/5. Now these are mixed numbers, so I have a mixed fraction or a mixed number times another mixed number. So you got to remember that the 1 is really 1 whole plus a half, and the 3 3/5 is 3 wholes plus 3/5 of another whole. And the idea is we need to convert them into improper fractions, because I just want one top number and one bottom number multiplied by another top number over another bottom number. So the idea is we're going to take the whole number times the denominator, that's 2, and we're going to add the top number. Okay, it's a multiply add rule. Multiply add. So 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now what's the denominator? We keep the same denominator. So 3/2 is just another name for 1 1/2. Alright, so again, 3 times 5 right here is 15 plus 3. Multiply add. 15 plus 3 is 18. So another name for 3 3/5 is 18/5. Remember to keep the same denominator. Alright, so we have an improper fraction times an improper fraction. Okay, now remember that we could just go straight across 3 times 18 and 2 times 5. However, it's good to look at this point to see if we can cancel any common factors. I noticed that the 2 and the 18 have a common factor of 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay? So now I can multiply straight across. 3 times 9 is 27. 1 times 5 is 5. Am I done? Nope, I have an improper fraction. I got to take it one more step. I need to make it back into a mixed fraction or a mixed number. So here's where I divide it out. How many 5s are in 27? 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. Notice there's a remainder of 2. 25 is 2 away from 27. The remainder always goes on the top. Okay? Again, we keep the same denominator. That's kind of a consistent rule. We always keep the same denominator. So let's do a little check here. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 2 is 27. Yep, that's what we had. Plus we have the same denominator on the bottom. So my final answer there, 5 2/5. Alright, I urge you to take a piece of paper and try these. Hit pause in the video and try those. I'm going to wait a second. Alright, now hopefully you've had a chance to work on these. Again, we need to change this to an improper fraction, so we're going to take 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 over, what's the denominator? 4. Keep the same denominator. Over here, 1 1/3 is 1 times 3 is 3, and add 1. Remember, it's multiply, add. Always add the top number. So that would give you 4/3. Alright, do you see something you can cancel here? Yes. This 4 and that 4 both have a common factor of 2, but choose the highest one. That way it's fewer steps. So I can divide a factor of 4 out of each. In other words, those 4's cancel each other out. That's another way to say that. So now we multiply what's left. 11 times 1 is 11, and 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, not done because I have an improper fraction. The numerator is larger than the denominator. So I divide it out. How many times does 3 divide into 11? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. So it's going to go 3 whole times. 9 is 2 away from 11. That's my remainder. It goes on top. What's the denominator? Keep the same denominator, thirds. So 3 2/3. Do a quick check here. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. That gives us my 11 over here. Keep the same denominator of 3. Alright, hope you're doing okay. Let's try these. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1, 21. Same denominator of 5. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Same denominator. In this case, it's 7. All right, can I do any canceling here? Yes, I can. 21 and 7 have a common factor of 7. So 7 divided by itself leaves 1. 21 divided by 7 leaves 3. Is there anything else I can cancel? Sometimes we can do multiple canceling. In this case, just a single factor of 7 can be divided out. Now let's multiply straight across. 3 times 16. Do you know what that is? 48. Better double check. 3 times 16. Yep, 48. 5 times 1 on the bottom is 5. Okay? Improper fraction need to be made into a mixed number again. How many times does 5 go into 48? 9 times, because that would be 45, which is 3 away. A remainder of 3 goes on top. Same denominator of 5. Final answer when we multiply those two fractions, 9 3/5. All right, thanks for joining me in my online classroom. Take care. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard,